Welcome! In this video it is shown how the EcoStruxure Machine Expert simulation can communicate with the Vieo Design simulation. Create a new project with your M262 controller. Add an HMI to your project. This is an example for a program in order to enable a variable for Vieo Designer. Now add the symbol configuration. Create the project and choose variables which are necessary for the HMI. Next, activate the simulation of the M262 controller. Double-click the simulation device for activation and login. Import the variable from ESMA into Vieo Designer. Create a visualization and link the variable with your object. We use the numeric display. Choose a node name for your HMI in the EA Manager. Now start the Vieo Design simulation. The simulation of Vieo Designer is now communicating with the ESMA simulation.